Hi! Today we're going to learn about similar triangles. Let's say we have a problem like this. Given that AD is equal to 5, DC is equal to 25, and the perimeter of triangle AED equals 20 centimeters, what is the perimeter of triangle ABC? So let's first write down whatever we know. So we know that AD is 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters, because the perimeter is in centimeters, so we know all the lengths are in centimeters too. We know DC is 25 centimeters. And we know the perimeter of triangle AED, which is this small triangle here, is 20 centimeters. So first, what can we tell between these two triangles, AED and ABC? Well, we know that their hypotenuses are parallel. So that means that if we extend it out, both of them, then this line becomes a transversal line between two parallel lines. And let's say that this angle is angle theta, then that means that this angle is also angle theta, meaning that this angle is angle theta. Now we know by the angle-angle conjecture that if two angles are the same, or two angles are congruent to that of the other triangle, so in the smaller triangle it's this right angle and theta, in the larger triangle it's this right angle and this theta. So we know that if these two angles are the same, then that means that the third one is the same, meaning that these triangles are similar. So now that we know that they're similar, we can say that we know how to find the perimeter. So to find the perimeter, we just have to find this factor of dilation, or how much it's dilated by, and multiply the perimeter by that value. So, at first glance, it might seem that this was dilated by a factor of 5, because we go from 5 to 25. But that's not entirely true. One common mistake is to assume that 25 centimeters is the length from A to C. But in the problem, it says it's a length from C to D, or D to C. So that means that the length from A to C is 30 centimeters. Let's do it on the inside so you guys can see. It's 30 centimeters from A to C. So that means that the factor of dilation is 5 to 30, and we can just do this as a proportion. So 5 is the length of one leg, or is the length of the left leg of the smaller triangle, over 30, which is the length of the left leg of the larger triangle, is equal to, now we put whatever we want from the smaller triangle, which is the perimeter, and then we have the perimeter of the larger triangle in the denominator, but we don't know what that is. So let's put x. Solving for x gives us that x is equal to, it gives us that 5x is equal to 20 times 30, giving us that x is equal to 4 times 30, or 120. Is 4 because 20 divided by 5 is 4. So the answer to this problem is 120 centimeters is the perimeter of the larger triangle, triangle ABC. Today we learned about similar triangles. And what to take from this video from similar triangles is that you can use proportions to figure out anything about the triangle, any lengths about the triangles. The length of the hypotenuse, if given one, the length of either leg, or the perimeter. Today we learned about similar triangles. Thank you for watching this video.